What is going on, YouTube? We are back with another video, and today we are installing new HID headlights, the ones that are currently on the car. My passenger side went out. I don't know why. I tried changing out the bulbs on them to see if it was the bulb that was the problem. The bulbs are not the problem. So we're gonna take this front bumper off, throw y'all on the GoPro, take the front bumper off, take everything apart, show y'all how to. I think I'm gonna install everything but the actual harness that goes to, like, we're gonna be replacing this, which is, I guess it's like the box that goes to it, like the fan kind of style. I'm not really too sure on what it's called, but we're gonna keep this part on the car where you have to pin it and all that. We're just gonna keep this part on the car so we just replace and do it real quick instead of having to do all that. Well, I don't know, we might just replace the whole system. I'm gonna more than likely replace the whole system, you know what I mean? But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Finna get this on the car, and yeah. W sponsor, Flash Shark Racing. Gonna get these off right here, and then put one right here. Good. So bumper really just held on by 4 zip ties. That off, and then you got the ones underneath the wheel well. I think there should. All right, so we got all the zip ties out. All I did was turn the wheel. I know y'all missed that part. Just turn the wheel a little bit, and it's gonna come off just like that. Pop these ends out first so we get around the headlight. Why you acting stuck, man? Push that up a little bit. Pop this end out. There we go. And my bumper's not gonna come all the way off because I got it connected to my actual fog lights down there still. Which one of those bad boys just popped right on out. Which is not good, but it's okay. I'm gonna leave it there. We're gonna leave it somewhere. We're just gonna leave it there for now. All right, so we don't have to take the bumper off. I should have looked down here, but I didn't look down here at first. All my connection issues are right here. So by unplugging this, it's your factory connector. It's this yellow one. And then all of this can come off. There we go. So old setup. And then hold this like that, and then just unplug your bulb. So if you have the factory stuff on the car, you're gonna have to redo all of this. But y'all see, I don't have any fender liners or anything, so I don't have to worry about it. And then my recommendation would be to leave this like this so you can see what it looks like. This is gonna be that same side. Now get your one bulb, leave it in this foam stuff so you don't touch it. Just, I like to lay everything out, you know, just like that. And then for your pins, you're gonna have 2 pins like this that look like this, and they're gonna go into this part that plugs into the OEM connector, and you can leave it like this. This is how I do this. So I look at the way this one is made, which technically they're made the same way, so it's a universal fit. And I'm just gonna stick the wires in just like that, and you're gonna make sure they click. Click. Plug this one in. And get a click. I wanna make sure you keep these rubbers on there too. Still no click. Come on. Alright, so you wanna go the same way you went in first time. This is gonna sit here like that. This is gonna plug into here. Make sure red goes with red, black goes with black. Push that in. And then your connectors, you know, swivel them through here like so. So they come down here. You kind of reach in there and grab them. It's just this box right here gives you a little trouble sometimes. There you go. I like to pull mine all the way through, so just everything's sitting where it needs to be. And y'all see, just like that. Well, we can really go underneath here, honestly. Should look a lot cleaner. And you want to have some double-sided tape or something too, just to keep that box down. Probably just gonna duct tape it on there, honestly. And that box can go right there, and then your wires will come right there. Let's get that new bulb. Go ahead and get that bulb in there before we plug everything in. Now you can take it off. Don't touch the actual glass, because if you do so, you will have problems in the future with that part. I'm pretty sure y'all don't want that. Yep, now we got that turned in there. And then it can only be connected one way, so you'll feel it because the two sides are different. Then one has a flat side and one doesn't have a flat side, so they only go one way. Find my other connector, y'all. It's right there. This light's on, that light's on. Y'all see the difference though? That's why I'm gonna change that one out, because that one's blue, it has to warm up. That one, I don't really like the color on that, honestly. So let's see what's different about these. I think these are 8Ks. Let's see. H11, it doesn't say. It just says H11. I might plug this bulb back in there. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Because see how bright that one is compared to the other one? It's like a white light. They don't look the same. Let's plug this one back in there, since we know this bulb works still. And then we'll just keep those just in case. Let's turn this light back off. So what we're gonna do first is take this and we're gonna turn the wheel to the other side. It's a lot easier because it's wet outside, so the tire's not so grippy. Ground. Since I've done this, which we know this wire works, so we're gonna keep that wire. Technically, we could just change the bulb out on this side, and we can keep our extra part for just in case something goes wrong, you know? That's what we're gonna do, yeah. Since we know this side works. This side doesn't have any problems at all. Keep that like that. We're just gonna change the bulbs out on this side. I just stepped on something. I don't know what I stepped on, but it's hurting. There we go. Alright. Reach in here. Looks like a wire mess in there, honestly. There's my connectors right there. There's my bulb. I'm gonna keep this extra bulb just in case too, but I just want it to be the same color for right now. So I can't get this one to turn at all. Come on, baby. Ah, there we go. I don't know. Unplug these. Try not to touch that bulb. Here's one. And there's 2. Come on. 2. So bulb, it's a good one. So we're gonna wrap this one back up. I'll take this bulb. Yeah. Right there. Put that one in there. Like that. Plug this one in. Alright. Here's my connectors. There's my red. Remember, red goes to red. Ground goes to ground. Ground is black. Yep. So now instead of blue lights, they're white. But it's technically that's what it looks like when they're done. But that actually doesn't look too bad. I just missed the blue part about it with them warming up, which technically is a new system, so shouldn't really have to worry about them warming up in a sense. So I don't know. We're not even put this bumper back on. Save our good parts. So those are good. I should have 1 good, 2 good. Should have 2 good lights, right? I should have 2 good lights because I used one on that side. Am I tripping? I might be tripping. We got one bad, right? Because we didn't use that. So we have a full system. That's what it is. We should have 1 full system. 4 lights. We use 2 lights. Yeah. So this is the motivational quote for today, and that is, your success is your mindset. So whatever you believe in, whatever you believe that success is, shoot for it. Keep going until you believe in it yourself, because sometimes we say stuff that we don't believe in, you know, having false dreams and false hopes and stuff like that. So like I said, whatever you want in life, shoot for your dreams, keep going. I like to tell the younger generation that it is possible. I show you that it's possible. I only have 3K followers on Instagram and 2K followers on 1.6K followers on YouTube, and TikTok I only have like 2K followers, I would say. And I have sponsors, you know. Just reach out to these companies. That's what I did. That's the meta. Just reaching out. If you get declined a whole bunch of times, you got to keep grinding until you are in a position where they will sponsor you, you know. I done got downshot by a whole bunch of companies. I swear, like maybe 10 companies that said no to me, or they're not doing sponsorships, knowing if I had 1 million followers, they would be doing sponsorships. Or if I had 100K followers or subscribers, they would do the sponsorship with me. But the fact that I don't have the sponsors, they just seem to tell me no, just because I don't have that amount of followers or subscribers, or so what. So that's just my motivation to keep going, you know. I had a vision board this year to 10K followers on all social media platforms. I did not reach that goal. It's okay. That means I just need to go harder this year. But anyways, I hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving. I know it's a couple weeks after Thanksgiving, but I hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving, and just be thankful for what you have and just keep pushing in life. But anyways, I love y'all boys, girls, anything out there. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody, just for the motivational quote. You know, it don't even have to be for the video. Just on the swipe to the end to wherever this time frame is, give them a little motivational quote. They might need it. I know I need it sometimes, so just doing one of them things. But anyways, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification bell. If you're new, hey, how you doing? I'm new somewhere too, so hey. But anyways, make sure I like, comment, subscribe. Keep saying that. Like, comment, subscribe. We got a new goal. This 2025, 10K subscribers. Freak the 2K. We want 10K. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. And on to the next.